Oh, maybe I should do one with the frame, huh? Should I?
Well, you have 4 nails.
Okay. Hold still 1 second. I'm gonna wrap this chains around.
No top coat?
No, not yet. You can do top coat too, but I'm gonna wrap this one around first. I don't know if you can seeing it.
Now we see your hand. But then, now we can see. Okay, that's cool.
So, okay, so you can put the top coat right away. Absolutely looks good. But if you don't want to, leave it alone because we want a top coat on the top of this, totally fine. If the long nails and you don't want them to like out of control, just leave it, just condensed glue gel, because really thick density will help you hold your chains in one place. I am going to trim this one. There you go. Absolutely love this. This is a crystal clipper. I using it to take all the crystal off in like no time. Try not to using your manicure nipper because you're wasting so much money and it can damage that nipper. Also, that is will not. You can leave it like that, or you can just cut it. I would leave it like that.
So, all right, now we're gonna top it over it.
Something here.
Like extra piece of chain. Cool.
All right, so we
Like
can
that
top coat it. No wipe top coat on the top. And then I think I have a cute little bee right there.
Top coat first or later?
Top coat first. Look at that. Isn't she cute? Okay. And I'm gonna do a top coat. And with this, absolutely, if you top coat on the top of the chain, it's no problem at all, because then it can even protect your chains better.
This way you encapsulate the chain inside too.
Yeah.
It'll stay in, keep the color nice, and doesn't move, and no catching.
And then we're gonna do secure, double secure with the precision glue. I am excited with this. I don't know why every time I tune in a live video, I feel like I am myself, relaxing, enjoy with you. We let her right in the middle of everything. She's the queen right there.
Yep. Maybe move it down a bit, or you want some crystal right under her. Probably
We'll
crystal.
see.
There you go.
My bee collections. I so obsessed with this. Let me see what I'm gonna do with this. I'm looking for my cute little bees, and I thought I'm not doing crystal, but I was so wrong. I thought, yeah, probably I can get away with no crystal, but guess what? I was.
Well, don't get too much of the flower.
Some beads on it. If you don't want any crystal and bars on this one, it looks great as well. You just cure and the bee will stay nice on it. This is something is really simple, easy for a lot of you who is start doing crystals and incorporate your crystal placements with transfer foil.
There you go.
Just one right there. So see, she was surrounded by crystal and chains. It's really cool. If you're happy with this, now we're going to cure this one for 60 seconds.
And you're gonna precision right after?
We can do all of them at the same time.